Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nessa. Thank you so much for stopping by. For today's video, I will be unboxing and showing you guys and giving you my impressions on my brand new Bose Quiet Comfort 25 noise canceling headphones. Stick around to hear if I would recommend them and how I think they work. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. As you can tell by the name, they are noise canceling, meaning they block out noise. And I need that because I have a lot of hearing sensitivity. So I already took the plastic wrap off. It was a little bit hard to get off. And this is just an easy open. You pull out the box from the packaging. It just gives you the front with a picture of it and the title. It tells you what it comes with, the contents. It gives you some features and what you'll need. It does need a AAA battery, and it just shows you what it looks like on someone. So here is what you get. It comes with just the top that says Bose. And let's open that flap. And then it shows you what the setup is. So it looks like you have to insert a battery first, turn it on, plug the cord into the headphones, then plug the other end of the cord into your phone, and then it just looks like this is padding, I guess, for shipping so they don't get wrecked while they were sent to me. So I'll just go ahead and open this. It's nice, you don't have to pull anything apart, just like a little bag you pull it out of. And here is the headphones case. It's very nice and sleek. Looks secure. Here is some more plastic to protect it. Here are the headphones folded up. Gotta make a mental note of how they were folded because I read online before I ordered them that if you fold them incorrectly, they can get ruined. So I'll take these out, and I'm assuming they just unfold like that. Yup. We'll put those to the side for a minute. See what else came with it. Cord, nice blue cord. First I was thinking it might stand out a little too much, but I guess if you like the blue color, then go with it. And I also like this white and yellow color versus the black they had. This is to control volume up, volume down, and that you can like answer and calls with, and the enter button. It's nice that it can reach, and this is actually a little outdated because you could get these headphones for Apple products specifically, or you could get them for Android and Samsung specifically. And I got the Apple because I have an iPhone, but this is actually the old port on the iPhone, so I'll just have to get I believe it's called a lightning adapter or some kind of adapter. So this is what the cord is. Put that aside. And then in the little side here it comes with, it's a little airplane adapter. Honestly, I do not remember what this is for. And here is a AAA battery, which is what you need for the enhanced noise canceling portion of it to work. I think it can work mildly if there's no battery, but I think it works much better with a battery. So So it comes with one, but then after this runs out, then you will need to supply your own. And it even tells you left versus right, so you know which ear it goes on. And these fold back and forth, and they can kind of like go forward, backward. And the headband size is adjustable. You can use these without the cord on. So I'm going to try these on without the cord first to see what they sound like. I just made a loud sound, and it actually muffles the noise a good amount. Like right now, I can definitely hear myself talking, but it's very muffled. So I would say these work well already, but then this little switch that I think turns on the more enhanced noise canceling feature. But let's go ahead and plug in the cord. I plugged this side in. This one is curved so it can fit into the phone, and this one just plugs right into the headphone so it's not curved. So now to try the more enhanced noise canceling feature, I am going to insert the battery. So I think this goes in on the right ear of the headphones. So there's like a little, looks like a tab. You pull and just open it, and you insert the battery. So now I'm just gonna close this. So I am going to try it with my laptop in. That switch I showed you right there, it isn't turned on yet. So I think that enhances the music, blocks out all the rest of the noise. So I'm just trying it without first. Something I remember reading these headphones also do, if you are on a phone call, with these on, then all the other person can hear is you talking, not all the other sounds around you that are distracting to you and them. So let's try to turn on this switch and see what happens now. Hello. Wow. Okay, so now I can definitely still hear myself. This is crazy. But as soon as I flipped that switch, everything like went silent. I feel like I'm in this blank of noise. And it's almost like there's this very, very, very soft white noise in the background and like the absence of noise. I don't know how to explain it. I'm definitely sound more muffled now. I sound like I'm underwater or like my ears are plugged. So when I put these on, I don't know why, but I literally like teared up. It was just so different, and I've never experienced this before. It was almost at like a higher tone. So basically, if you can gather my general gist, for somebody who has noise sensitivity or who wants to listen to music without getting really distracted by outside noise, or people who just want to be in silence even if they don't have noise sensitivity, I would recommend these. I can definitely feel it's on, and I can definitely feel these pressing against me, but this is actually pretty comfortable. I will definitely be keeping these. If I was gonna rate these headphones out of 10 based on how well they block noise, I would probably give them a 7. But if I was going to rate them how well they block noise out of how much I need it to be blocked without being perfect, just so it doesn't hurt my ears, I'd probably give them an 8 to 9. So here have been my opinions on the Bose Quiet Comfort 25 noise canceling headphones. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next one.